Welcome back to channel, guys. Tesla DIY. So today finally took out some time to get the PPF done on the headlights. Have been thinking about to do this from long time, but not able to get to it. So today we are going to do this installation on the headlight. It should be straightforward. It should not take too much time. As I said, I've been postponing this for a long time, and today I finally decided that I'll just finish off this ever pending project. So we will just make it to the perfection as close as possible. Stick it, take the freehand cut and just heat gun it. So I have, if you see, I don't have any fingers over here. So I think this is a perfect. You see some small finger over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to peel, stretch it, and the finger is gone. I know there are a lot of DIY kits which a lot of sellers are trying to sell. Again, I'm not saying it's good or bad, but that costs you like around 50 or 80 or 100 bucks. This is probably like $2. The only reason I want to do this was because I saw when you try to scrub the plastics while washing, you tend to leave some kind of scrubbing marks. And this weekend I was on a countryside drive, and as you know, there are a lot of bugs. So when I came back, I tried to do the wash. While washing, I was trying to scrub it. I felt like I will scratch the plastic. Is it visible? I don't think so, but just to give myself a little bit more satisfaction, I thought of doing this easy DIY project. Right. Basically trying to squeeze the excess material inside. So now comes my favorite part, which is honestly, this is quite satisfying if you know what you're doing. There you go. This one was right size. Let's see where we need to take the cut. Honestly, I'm not damaging anything. If you see, I can really put the whole knife inside. So it's the gap that we are trying to attack. Most likely we'll need a relief cut here. So we'll be running a knife on the edge like that and take a cut. And since it's wrapped over here, we'll take a knife, we'll hold a knife exactly like this, take a cut on the top side. So this will fold on this and this will fold on the top, same way over here, and that should be the relief cut. And if this edge does not settle down, so we'll make a triangular cut over here. I think it's kind of the bubbles, the air bubbles, those are visible. I'll take a triangle cut over here, that will make a relief cut.